2017, the Gecko CLaN Landcare Network hosted a field day at Blackwood Park, Lima East. The field day presented the Soils, Moisture, Plant and Technology project. Landcare Facilitator Kerry Robson welcomed everyone to the site. Blackwood Park in the Lima East Valley was selected by the Evans family in the 1880s. The family is still involved in the day-to-day running of the property. The soils of the farm are dominated by granitic outcrops of the Strathbogie Ranges. As the land manager, I was keen to improve the structure of the soil, trial new technologies and improve the farm's resilience to climate change. To determine what structural treatments would best improve the soils at this site, 3 trial plots were created. A site control was also established to provide a baseline measure for the project. The site control is in the existing pasture with no further treatment. Plot 1 was seeded with radishes and oats. Plot 2 was deep ripped with a yeoman's plough and seeded with radishes and oats. And plot 3 was deep ripped with a yeoman's plough into the existing pasture. Information about each treatment can be found on the Gecko CLaN website. Chris Walsh from AGF Seeds attended our field day to talk about when and how to use winter tillage radish.
We had it pegged for a certain scenario, specifically for clay pans in, say, southwest Victoria, where the bucket sort of usually runs out fairly quickly. We've found more and more scenarios where we're starting to see this as a benefit.
Brad Costin from Agriculture Victoria demonstrated how to take a soil core and present it on the subsoil properties of the site.
The interesting thing is I filled up that ring and the one behind us there at the same time with the same amount of water on the top, and I filled that one, turned around to do that one, and then by the time I got back to here it was done. So it was totally absorbed straight into the rip line there.
Phil Whitten of Farm Management Solutions presented on the use of soil moisture and temperature probes and the weather station used for this project.
From when these are, in fact that first one went in earlier, that must have been about 3 or 4 months ago now, I think the first one. The other 3, probably 2 to 3 months ago they went in, and we'll see at the hall, we'll see the logged data from all of them. And what's interesting is they're all at the same depth, and when we put, for example, the 20 centimetre sensor of the 4 sites all into one graph, we can already see some interesting things, and we expect that once we get through the trial, once the crop's roots get deeper, once soil moisture starts to get used up, that's when it starts to get really interesting to see the effect of the soil treatment and the effect on root activity of the plants.
Back at the Swanpool Hall, the soil probe and weather station data was presented. The data can be viewed anytime at the Gecko CLaN website at www.geckoclan.com.au. This project has been funded by the Australian Government under the National Landcare Program, the Goulburn Broken Catchment Management Authority Beyond Soil Care Program, and the Gecko CLaN. For more information and other upcoming events, please go to the website at www.geckoclan.com.au.